Ever felt like you're standing at the door of financial opportunity, but you just can't find the doorknob? You know you have an Acorn account, maybe you set it up a while ago, or maybe a friend told you it's the best way to start investing, but now you're staring at your screen wondering, how do I even access this thing? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Acorns and demystifying the process of accessing your account. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, knowing how to get into your Acorns account is the first crucial step. We'll cover everything from the basics, like what Acorns is and why you might want to use it, to the nitty-gritty of logging in, troubleshooting common issues, and even exploring the different ways you can manage your account. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on the why. Acorns is a micro-investing platform that makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background or how much they have to invest. It's built around the idea of roundups, where your spare change from everyday purchases is invested into a diversified portfolio. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.50 and the extra 50 cents gets automatically invested. That's the magic of Acorns. Over time, these small amounts can add up to a significant investment, helping you grow your wealth without even noticing it. So, you've got your Acorns account, and you're ready to see your investments grow. The most common way to access your account is through the Acorns mobile app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices, and it's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. If you haven't already, head over to your App Store and download the Acorns app. Once you've installed the app, open it up. You'll be greeted with a login screen. Here, you have two main options, logging in with your email address and password, or using your linked phone number. If you remember the email address you used to create your account, simply enter it in the designated field, followed by your password. Double-check for any typos, even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in. If you prefer to use your phone number, tap the option that says Log in with phone number. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Acorns will then send you a verification code via text message. Enter this code in the app, and you'll be granted access to your account. This is a great option if you're prone to forgetting passwords. Now, what if you've tried both methods and you're still locked out? Don't panic. There are a few things you can try. First, if you're having trouble with your password, look for a Forgot Password link on the login screen. Clicking this will typically send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the steps in the email, and you'll be back in your account in no time. Another common issue is entering the wrong email address or phone number. Again, double-check for typos. If you're still unsure which email or phone number you used, you can contact Acorns customer support. They're usually very helpful and can assist you in recovering your account information. You can find their contact information on the Acorns website or within the app itself. Sometimes, login problems can be related to technical issues. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try restarting your phone or closing and reopening the Acorns app. If the issue persists, check the Acorns website or social media for any reported outages or service disruptions. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Acorns dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your investments, including your current balance, portfolio performance, and any pending roundups. Take some time to explore the different sections of the app. You can view your portfolio allocation, track your investment growth, and even adjust your investment strategy. Now, let's talk about accessing your Acorns account from a computer. While the mobile app is the primary way most people manage their accounts, you can also access your account through the Acorns website. Simply go to acorns.com in your web browser. You'll see a login button in the top right corner. Click it, and you'll be presented with the same login options as on the mobile app, email and password, or phone number. The process is essentially the same as on the app. Enter your credentials, and you'll be granted access to your account. The website offers a slightly different interface than the app, but all the essential features are there. You can view your portfolio, make deposits and withdrawals, and manage your account settings. One thing to keep in mind is security. Protecting your financial information is crucial. Always use a strong password that's unique to your Acorn's account. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or name. Enable two-factor authentication if it's available. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. Be wary of phishing scams. Acorns will never ask for your login credentials via email or text message. If you receive a suspicious message, do not click on any links and contact Acorn's support directly. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to accessing your Acorn's account. Whether you're using the mobile app or the website, the process is straightforward once you know the steps. Remember, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Acorn's customer support. They're there to help you get back into your account and manage your investments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.